Here are my top tips. Set up the room before the students arrive. There won't be any time to do this once the students are in the room. The presentation is your friend. It contains all the information needed by the students and lots of prompts for you as a challenge leader. You can adapt this presentation to fit the needs of you and your students. Make one adult responsible for assessment and make sure they know that from the outset. Get the students to assign their roles after introducing the challenge, once they know what skill sets are required. For the larger challenges, it's useful to break the challenge down into blocks. As engineers, we don't just look at the bigger picture, we focus on completing small tasks that lead us through a project. Engineering is a journey, and it's useful to encourage your students to see it that way too. Keep an eye on the clock. It's important to regularly make reference to the time and what needs completing in each session in order to keep the teams on track. Finally, and most importantly, allow the students to develop their ideas independently. They will look lost at first, but given time, most teams start to pull together and produce something which they are proud of. So, give it a go. You won't need to be an expert in the field of the challenge. Remember, it's all about independent learning for the students. And don't forget to enjoy yourself. It should be fun for you as well as the students. A good day in Faraday is when the students are working far harder than you are.